Good morning, everyone. Today is Wednesday, February 4th. We're doing our normal morning routine. I'm drinking my hot lemon water. Letty was just in her activity center for a little. She's about to go down for a nap, but I'm supposed to go to the office today. My dad's going to come over, watch the girls. I planned it so that they were both sleeping for the most part. Because I know it can be difficult to watch both of them at the same time, especially if you don't do it on the regular like I do. And I'm hoping that everything that I need to get done at the office won't take that long. And and she loves bouncing. Go, Letty. Because I want to get a few errands done since my dad will be watching them. I have to do a Facebook Marketplace pickup right by my work, so I will definitely be doing that. And then I would love to get my eyebrows done, not emergency whatsoever, but if I have the time, I'll probably do that. And Zach dropped off my disposable cameras yesterday to the photo shop I get them developed at. And they said that it would be ready around noon today, so if I have time, I'll also pick those up. And that's really it. Yeah. And then I come home and I snuggle my girls. Yeah. But I'm going to go get Gemma, put Letty down for a nap, and start our day. Okay, have a good nap. I'll see you when you wake up. I love you. Good morning.
Sack?
Yeah, sleep sack.
Sleep sack?
And zip. Ooh. There you go. Ooh. Hold on. Come on. You're goofy. You're so silly.
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 So silly.
So silly.
Silly.
It's a little bit later. I am changed now and about to make myself some coffee before I head out. The grinder is very loud, so walking away from that. Now it's very exposed. My dad's here. He's in the living room with Letty. And then I'm gonna head to work after my coffee is made and I put Letty down for her nap. Might have been way too much. Cinnamon and honey. All right, currently prepping dinner. Gemma's keeping me company. Office took longer than I anticipated, but that's work. It is what it is. And I got to do 2 out of 3 of the errands. Picked up the photos, picked up my Facebook thing, and then didn't get my eyebrows done, but I can do that whenever. So I'm gonna hurry up and finish prepping and making dinner because it has to sit for 2.5 to 3 hours. I'm making short rib ragu, and I'll update you guys. I'm literally still in my work clothes. But I'll update you guys when I get all of that done because I need to focus. Still have not changed out of my work clothes, but we're sitting down having dinner and it's done. This is the end product. The family is eating. What do you think, Jemmy? Is it yummy?
Yummy.
What do you think, Zach?
Juice.
It's very, very good.
Better than the first time I made it?
Yeah, this is really good.
Sorry, Letty, you can't have any yet. Not yet. But she already ate, as you can tell from the milk drooling in her mouth. Well, I'm glad everybody likes it. But everyone should be tucked in tight. The time has come to say night-night.
Horse is getting warm and snug underneath a woolly rug.
What a cozy place to stay. Night-night, horse. Nay-nay.
Wait, we flipped it. You go again.
The chicks are heading to the coop. Sleepy heads begin to droop.
Fluffy bundles, soft and sweet. Night-night, chicks, tweet, tweet.
The cows have finished munching grass. The busy day is done at last.
Ready to sleep the whole night through. Night-night cows, moo moo.
Piglets trotting to their sty underneath the inky sky.
Sleeping soundly till the dawn. Night-night piggies, oink oink. Yawn.
Night-night bunnies. The moon and stars are shining bright. Settle down, switch off the light.
All is quiet, all is calm. Night-night sleepyhead. Night-night farm. Yeah,
Stars and the moon and the farmhouse and the barn and the fields. The fields. Wow. The windmill, she just launched herself. I love you. I'll see you in the morning. All right, time to get ready for bed. Finally changed back into my comfies, but I got an Amazon package in the mail, and it's only a couple things. First two things are the same thing. They're just these beeswax pillar candles because I have a bunch of hurricanes. These are smaller than I expected, but I have a bunch of hurricanes that need to be filled. So I got these to fill them finally because they look so strange, and I think it makes them look better if there's something in them. So I got 2 packs of 4. And these are beeswax candles. They're unscented and just healthier to burn with the babies and EP. And the second thing that I got was this Comfies set, which I promised myself I would stop buying. And I did a good job when I was pregnant / had both of the girls, but I felt like I needed, because I'm just home all the time, I needed something new. So I got these Comfy sets. They're very soft. I think it's like 95% cotton. Very cute. Maybe I'll try it on. It's a little cold because I just grabbed it from outside. This is what they look like on. They're actually very soft, thick, they're comfy. And it's an elastic waist too. I think this would be great for postpartum and pregnancy. I would definitely size up. I think I got a small. So if you plan on wearing this during pregnancy, I would definitely size up on the fit, because these are pretty tight on me, and I've got my postpartum body going on, and every time I eat, I get extra bloated. So I think that was so cute. I just wish they had pockets. I'm a pockets gal, but cute. It's like 8:13 right now. I am gonna end off the vlog here because, to be completely transparent with you, I'm most likely gonna go to sleep in 45 minutes because I'm exhausted. And before I do that, I'm gonna stay horizontal on the couch and either edit this video or just scroll on TikTok, Pinterest, Instagram like I normally do and relax. So thanks for watching today's video, and I will see you in my